First, click Create Plan from a photo. Upload an image of your floor plan and choose Automatic Recognition. The recognition process will take about a minute. Once it's complete, you'll see your editable 3D floor plan. Click Open 2D Plan, then select the Resize tool to set the correct scale. Since I know the dimensions of the original walls, I'll place markers on the corners of the floor plan. The distance should be 6.6 meters. Now the scale is correct, but the wall positions are slightly shifted. We'll adjust the walls to achieve millimeter precise accuracy. When you're finished, click Stop Wall Editing. As you can see, the entire process takes just a few minutes to turn a simple floor plan image into a fully editable 3D model.